Eating the right foods can heal and nourish your pancreas. It may also help you avoid pancreatitis, a painful inflammation of the pancreas. Yogurt with active cultures is a good source of probiotics, beneficial bacteria which help keep the immune and digestive system functioning at their best. Choose yogurt with no sugar added. Tomatoes are a good source of vitamin C and antioxidants. Vegetables also contain antioxidants and beneficial nutrients, and soup provides additional fluid. When you add more protein to your diet, aim for low-fat proteins, especially when you are looking for some healthy foods for your pancreas. Tofu is a great source of low-fat proteins. It promotes better recovery of your digestive tract and protects your pancreas from damage. Sweet potatoes along with other orange and yellow vegetables like carrots, corn and squash contain nutrients which are beneficial for the pancreas and may help prevent cancer. Garlic acts as a major help for the pancreas. It helps in reducing the amount of sugar in your blood by increasing the insulin production by the pancreas. Basically, it keeps your pancreas in a good state of health. Eat 2 crushed cloves of garlic every day and add it to your food as well. You can also drink garlic tea every day. Spinach is a good source of iron and vitamin B, both of which your pancreas needs. Try spinach salad or spinach stir-fried with garlic. Other leafy greens, like kale, mustard, and Swiss chard are also beneficial for your pancreas. The properties of the dandelion root are popular for treating cancer. For your pancreas, this root acts as an effective treatment for the aggressive cancer cells. This is very beneficial for people who are resistant to other cancer treatments. Drinking dandelion tea can help flush out toxins from the intestines and can heal the damaged pancreatic tissues. This herb is popular for the distinct flavor it gives to your food. It is a very effective treatment for the oxidation caused by diabetes. These properties of oregano prevent the insulin-producing organ from any damage. Reishi mushrooms can help reduce inflammation, and are used in Chinese medicine to restore balance to the body. Red grapes are a good source of resveratrol, a powerful antioxidant. Avoid red wine if you have pancreatitis, and eat a handful of red grapes instead. Cruciferous vegetables make it to every list, and all this because of their high nutritional value. Broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cauliflower, and cabbage are extremely beneficial for protecting your pancreas against tumors. So don't think twice, bring more of these veggies home, and cook them the way you want to get numerous health benefits. Blueberries and cherries are both good sources of antioxidants, which help prevent cell damage. Sour foods like lemon improve the production of digestive enzymes in your body, thereby keeping the pancreas in a good state of health. The same effect can be seen by regular consumption of kiwis. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel if you want more recipes and tips.